Hello, and welcome to our brand new educational podcast. My name is Kate, and I am your teacher. This episode helps you learn professional English very easily. Starting a new job is always a big challenge. You need correct words to feel confident every day. First, you must introduce yourself to your new team. Smile nicely and say your name very clearly, please. Tell your new colleagues about your previous professional experience. Mention your job title and your main daily responsibilities. People usually appreciate polite and friendly new team members. You can ask others about their roles as well. Learning names quickly helps you build great working relations. Remember to use simple sentences during your first days. Short phrases are excellent for clear and effective communication. Do not worry about making small grammar mistakes today. Everybody understands that you are a completely new worker. Look around the office and find your personal desk. Your manager will show you the entire working space. Take a small notebook to write down important information. Good organization makes your first working week much better. Ask questions if you do not understand your tasks. Colleagues are usually ready to help a new person. This podcast gives you the best phrases for success. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences after me aloud. Practice makes your English perfect and very natural today. We look at different realistic office situations together here. Let us start this useful lesson right away, friends. Open your mind to learning beautiful new business words. You can achieve excellent results with our easy method. Enjoy this interesting journey into world of professional English. Good morning is the most common greeting at work. You can also say hello to everyone you see. It is very polite to ask about their weekend. Did you have a nice and relaxing weekend, John? People usually answer that their weekend was really wonderful. Small talk helps to create a pleasant office atmosphere. You can discuss the beautiful weather outside the window. It is a very warm and sunny day today. Many colleagues prefer to drink hot coffee every morning. The office kitchen is a great place for conversation. Do you want a cup of hot green tea? I prefer black coffee with a little white sugar. Sharing a drink makes people feel more relaxed together. You can ask about someone's plans for this evening. Are you watching the big football match tonight, Paul? Simple questions show that you care about your colleagues. Keep your answers short, positive, and very polite always. Avoid talking about difficult or very personal topics here. The workplace requires professional and neutral communication at all times. Smile often because a smile opens many heavy doors. It is time to walk to our office desks. The working day begins, and everyone looks quite busy. Have a very productive day, my dear friend Sarah. Thank you. I wish you a successful day too. These simple words make people feel happy and appreciated. You can practice these greetings with your real colleagues. Daily practice gives you a lot of excellent confidence. Let us move to the next important work situation. We will talk about managing your daily office tasks. Every morning I open my laptop to check emails. There are always 5 new messages from our manager. I need to write a quick reply to them. Sending emails is a big part of business communication. Start your business email with "Dear Mr. Smith, please." Write clearly about the main purpose of your message. Use simple words to explain your ideas to clients. Finish your email with "Best regards" and your name. Check your spelling before you press the send button. Mistakes look unprofessional, so be very careful every time. Next, I create a list of my daily tasks. A checklist helps me manage my time very effectively. This urgent project has a very strict deadline today. I must finish this financial report before 12 o'clock. The client needs these important documents as soon as possible. Can you help me with this difficult computer program? Sure, I can show you how it works later. Thank you so much for your kind professional support. We work as a team to achieve great goals. Sometimes we have too many duties to complete quickly. Prioritize your tasks from the most important to least. Do not hesitate to ask managers for extra time. Good communication prevents many big problems at the office. My desk is organized and ready for hard work. I use a digital calendar to remember all events. Notifications remind me about every important business meeting online. Technology makes our office life much faster and easier. Let us study how to speak during those meetings. The next scene is about serious business conversations, friends. Keep listening to improve your workplace vocabulary right away. Office meetings happen every single week in our company. We gather in the large conference room upstairs today. Sometimes we use Zoom for video calls with partners. Please turn on your microphone and your camera, Anna. Can everybody hear my voice clearly at the moment? Yes, the sound is perfect, and we see you. The manager starts the presentation about our new strategy. Look at this interesting chart on the big screen. Our sales grew by 10% the previous month. This is an excellent result for our whole team. Everyone has a great opportunity to share their opinion. I think this creative idea is very interesting and fresh. In my opinion, we need more advertisement on social media. That is a very good point. Thank you, Kate. Does anyone have any questions about this financial plan? I have a question about the budget for marketing. How much money can we spend on this project? The director answers my question with many specific details. If you disagree, express your thoughts very politely always. I see your point, but I have another idea. Professional discussion helps to find the best business solutions. Take brief notes during the meeting for your future. The manager concludes the conference after one long hour. Thank you all for your time and great ideas. We have a clear plan for the next weeks. Meetings are successful when everyone participates very actively. Do not be afraid to speak in front of people. Your voice is important for the success of company. Let us learn phrases for taking a short break. A good rest is necessary for high work productivity. 1 o'clock is the traditional time for lunch break. I usually feel quite hungry after intensive morning work. Colleagues often go to a nearby Italian restaurant together. Would you like to join us for lunch today? Yes, I would love to go out with you. The restaurant has a very cheap and delicious menu. I want to order a fresh chicken salad, please. What do you recommend from this traditional local kitchen? The seafood pasta is absolutely fantastic in this place. I will take the pasta and an orange juice. During lunch, we do not talk about difficult work. It is time to relax and enjoy your food. We talk about hobbies, favorite movies, and family life. Do you play any musical instruments in your free time? I play the acoustic guitar on weekends sometimes, actually. That sounds wonderful. I love rock music very much. Knowing your colleagues better creates a strong, friendly team. The waiter brings our bill after the delicious meal. Let us split the bill equally among all of us. That is a fair idea. Here is my card. We walk back to our office building together slowly. The short walk is good for our physical health. I feel refreshed and ready for the afternoon tasks. Taking breaks prevents stress and gives you positive energy. Always find time to eat a healthy lunch properly. Our working day is coming to its logical end. There are only a few small things left to do. Let us see how to finish the day correctly. The final scene will show you the exact words. It is 5 o'clock and the workday is over. I need to save all open documents on computer. Turning off the office laptop is my final task. I clean my desk and put pens away neatly. A clean workspace is pleasant to see tomorrow morning. Lock the office windows to keep the room safe. Put on your warm coat and take your bag. It is time to say goodbye to everyone here. Have a very nice evening. See you tomorrow morning. Have a good rest tonight, my dear colleague John. Thank you. Enjoy your peaceful evening at home too. Saying goodbye politely is a sign of great respect. People leave the office building with big, happy smiles. The street is busy with people going back home. I take the underground train to reach my flat. During the commute, I think about my great day. I used many new English phrases at work successfully. My communication skills are getting better and better daily. You can achieve this fantastic progress very easily, too. Listen to this educational podcast multiple times a week. Repetition helps you remember every business word for long. You learn how to greet people and write emails. You know how to behave during serious office meetings. Small talk and lunch phrases are also very useful. This is the solid foundation of your professional English. I am very proud of your great learning efforts. New episodes are coming to help you even more. Thank you for listening to my brand new podcast. Goodbye for today, and see you very soon, friends. I wish you wonderful luck in your professional career.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.